Ebusianfo aha Ghana SMTVGH, message like, comment, subscribing, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo, MPP4, omania brace say. Now, no, both physical and spiritual because they say, the Bible say we don't fight, we don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but against powers, principalities, and spiritual wickedness in high places. And they say the MPP party as say, and yeah, they biara ekosu. Ewa political sin no so. And bibi kwa they can just leave. Say, oh, there be way there be. Now, a group of MPP4 about Bonti have my warning. And warning no there is simple. I must say obi nim na osan frɛ Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. Osan frɛ ni sɛ Bawolaya Bioma Kosua ɛne nsa ɛwɔ hɔ. Ɔbɛbɔ nipa no dua. Ɔmo mfa nkyɛ nipa no. And they are serious about it. Because clearly, there is no reason to call Bawumia a liar. There is no reason to tag him as a liar. Because in Crawford now I'm afraid Bawumia liar now. And now more about him. They have not been able to prove where and in what Dr. Bawumia lied. No proof, nothing. No proof whatsoever. In fact, they say we know who the true liar is. In fact, they write it to even say we know whom the true liars are. Because any papa kumi no pere or endi saban we ma, we incompetent, intolerant. Almost all of them. Barely will you ever see an appointee of this NDC government that is staying true to the people. From the president to the DCs to whoever has been appointed after the DCs and all those ones. Omunyina nukre baku. Any juma omuyem. But aside the fact say maybe Eduabo 7 the ABI agro, but on a more serious note, no. Obianim say, Ghana ha. At least, our Fourth Republic we muni. We have not had any vice president our effective to say, Papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. NDC for him, MPP for him, CPP for him, UFP for him, GPCC for him. Obianim. It was for that reason that NPP delegates did not find it difficult voting for Bawumia again as flag bearer. Because the man has an impeccable record. Impeccable record. Flawless record. Beautiful record. And that is a record that MPP4 are willing to defend on any day. Proud of on any day. Even prouder of what Akufo-Addo has achieved. That is why MPP4 have a problem when one of our own, a respected member of ours, Onaukini Japan say, Kwame Nkrumah and a role model. That's how we had a problem. Because Akufo-Addo is alive. And you and I can testify, say, Akufo-Addo has done well for this country. Adia MPP AMA mine we no. And this intimate half. And really, they don't have the right to call Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Bawolaya. And I support this warning with 70 bags of cement. It was for Ghana SMTVGH. The conversation is up next. Very interesting conversation from different speakers. I know you are going to enjoy it. But before then, kindly help us upgrade our studio and get some data bundle for uploading our content. Naba no ever from her. Please, kitwa bianswa, whatever you feel like sending to us, we appreciate. And that was in advance. Don't go anywhere. The conversation is hitting your happiness. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one.
Ofehunsuo adum ebia nye de no ne namo.
Ne nam.
Kokobot de sika we sponsor Ghana Blasters. Mi ho akoko akuafo na nkasa esu. Sebi enkaya nyare a na John Mahama be ka kire yen say 1 acre of cocoa farm bia obetu mechanized borehole e wo cocoa ne mfimfin. Na the polytank so na opebre no wo di ensuo no apeti cocoa na se ama cocoa na so na kuani wajedi akoto aba ama John Mahama. Miwa okodo Mahama krombole bampoya menuanom sebe momfa nkyeme ni kromfo eda so ni nantwie ena no musuo busa John Mahama say ni krombole bampoy ene the 5 northern region mechanized borehole say ena John Mahama woye vice president woye MP woye minister obeye president otimi etuye ewo northern region. Na the whole Ghana baby a cocoa was also be 1 acre biano obetu mechanized borehole na fu enti wafo ye 10 acres ya ye betu borehole 10 because 1 acre bia mon ko tie video ni yi na Ghana cocoa akuafo age John Mahama di akoto aba amano ebreko ni kurumu efo kura sabi enya ensuo no John Mahama ba ya ni kurumu fo sabi enya dwuma nye o nti omu nyina eba southern part of Ghana sebi ebe ya pa onye sika anko bebie dawadawa factory amani kromfo anya bia ye no onye sika anko bebie share butter enkuto factory amani kromfo anya bia ye no onye sika anka yam bayire a free sirem watermelon a free sirem nantwie a free sirem no ke nantwie no fu ye betimi dia ya mark ananke betimi asi costo kakraka nanka nantwie meat ananke betimi say bibi ye de bebie factory e wosirem no odi esi aso dama akoma 10 ama na asori Assemblies of God na oye nod na bisa ho say sa aso dama akoma 10 no emfaso be pa na wo nod na as an NDC e de bebre wo nso Mahama be dada Ghana kokko akuafo say obetu nsuo e de ama wo mu kokofu hwenada Mahama katre Ghana kokko akuafo say na kufo do entua bonus ento ne de okali koko 1 bag na amunumu hwa koko shele hwa na kokrache no e de bonus aka ho ama ene kokko akuafo bonus no e wo he adum John Mahama no me say de bia me ni menua aguni chamber me chief spiritualist me chief traditionalist e de yabodua ye say NDC ni bia winim be bia wa no e wo baabi obi social media platforms so na wakotwere baolaya waja Mahama aye mahalaya Mahama aye professional liar na wakotwere baolaya no agrada enku because Mahama aye trofo nyina da se uja trofo nyina da to Mahama
Enu anamabem
ke kase baomia aye trofo a agrada enku
amen
Mahama so bebre wo adum ewie kire empafe na oso ene trumu ekoso wo Ghana on na sie so e kristoni ene waji trumu atom hwe me se adepa adum me di manosi na adepa ben na eba Ghana NDC amwangu NDC akwese ko na busua NDC akwese ko vivu so adepa bia ba fi NDC mpe o ma peni kofo esi Jubilee House NDC for so mobile on de ben kukobu enso na John Mahama de timu a onim Ghana card eba see dun katiamo a demonstration and so na NDC voje Ghana card register ton Ghana card ma Ghana fo Mampeni kufo AC new finance ministry for edan NDC for say causing financial law to the state and so na to forcing any NDC for na egum se mwa a mo enjoy the Ghana Maritime Authority dan Mampeni kufo do AC Sameja mfi ni NDC for say causing financial law to the state e come the Ghana for and so na NDC for mwa and go office nim Dr. Baumedi drone eba NDC woman organizer say ye de betwitwa wo mo eho enso ne NDC for na agi drone e de atom ye de drip machine eba NDC for say ya bo oman no eka e come the Ghana for the club boy e no drip machine enso ne do me das mo bi nto aso na me am ko ba bi mo bi
spiritual sadia no ye no e ma me hu say this guy onye serious in this modern world e timu na yo wa kwa election we lose wa what say to the extent say what say before yanko pa osu be mpa chew okay yo original television so radio so can say as I said before me this this guy
ono na ka say onyo na ka say yanko pa ni chew
na
say invitation letter de command ono natural letter de kwa bonten ono natural letter me usu be mpa se ombra Thanksgiving ni bi ono
in this modern era also letter command so ama
otu ayi owusu na ba ya chaso owusu na we on
the least said about him the better oh say ya kase ye ni still worship no emeshana me kawo nan on to me and consider possible contest someone can what catch and say one no ye damn butcher of our time.
Remember that in interview on OKF.
Yes.
Okay. Also a damn butcher or no or the new damn butcher style.
Butcher of our time. And it's on the record say ya ka general secretary sir ye nya omo nyina damn butcher is or special. And it's obi catch up say why you young to that Dambotri to Abama me 137 you know obi different 169 where they be 137 to Abama me a Dambotri me spirit Dambotri spirit wo mi munti no into Abama me and ni nyoma nso de ntia meji ni di ye ni so ye dwuma wa ye no upon the home modern am on my youth ni bebre any opportunities
ogbo adwuma nkasa
ogbo adwuma pa Justin Frimpong kodua in terms of your friend is chief executive for Kodi ye ni de why very good or perform ye enti am my youth no nya daji ye campaign man into amre Justin Frimpong bro and na ye look at margin or DBT John Boadu a seasoned politician said John Boadu. Look at the man of the man. Now, you the idea shall want to me and perform fine. Now to me by catching and say I spiritual new patriotic party at this modern world. Oh, by catching and say I spiritual. In fact, what do you know I want to say? Intimidate. Now me say Obien will be contesting me say you maintaining no but Satachi Abadia na sumba yeshi pop mean that now. Because look at the way I touch here any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia a year campaign. In fact, Nipo to me take it can in your own power campaign I attach here. Oh, just here, and you know so about Justin Frimpong could be a subayashi papa me bomb pires or beba.
There are some people we are going to need for government too. I know now we shouldn't forget. There are certain people that we will need them in the government. No sign the part December beden na. Bo I know the na be no more na. Omo ko jejeje board so tena ya omo ntumi anya adwuma. So what you say about that?
But Sina Felix, and now young kunumre fianza.
Felix, what try to know why?
What's that?
My patron say me leaning towards Kukufu, but not fully. Because still I may hear one or two research be.
Yeah,
Debbie. Onya mre bako say oboa.
We dey ada mo do no so be ba no. Obeti ye be so no hwe ma twafa.
O mo ntwumfa ne yem memfa ye.
Mama me wie na yi no. Enta me dia chama ne de. Me pe u chama untumi asampa but oni bibi. Chama untumi aye targeted too much by the NDC. The way my targeting no. I'm hearing your woman the peace of mind. I'm an run a party no as a national chairman. Enti San Nancy Ofia yembisa the union 10 time. John Boadu a seasoned politician. In fact,
it's yes, someone more to abano will be a muniso or time Dr. Bawumia after election seeing you know 1 percent papa bebano, Mumia so is NTS Ancrofono, more platforms no, Mumia Camum, near Kutian Sancrofo, near new woman film. Yeah, okay. To be 2028, you know.
No, I'm asemi medisha wankasa wonsa. In fact, ye kase ya no obi kachem de order Patrick ye using as the point of seriousness. Na ye hu de obiara ye pede aye wadwen de bokwete Dr. Bawumia. Yankasa no will mobilize against you. Inti ye use Patrick as the point of call. Inti me pede wankasa lead the charge. Na ye na ye wa diaspora no. Ye nje ni kasi bia. 20 pounds, 10 pounds, 100, whatever.
Oh, that's our Robert be through.
Yemwe the account in Yamfama Patrick. Na resources kekribia ya the bob one. Na ye use as into Patrick.
What is starting here?
Oh yeah, Pila. Yeah, yeah, diaspora funa was supporting. What the 10 pounds, 20 pounds na. The constituencies in no year show pepe be Adam. Na yam fan baby I want to be sure that yesha kakri bia na yen to Dr. Bawumia n'enyim there papa no ye done obi aso obey na dwen there ono otan na odubetia no yankasa ye bosoro etia Patrick obi aso wo constituency mu a why na dwen there o chesuma do bedi gbon na awe ya fedin ne mayen na so so
wo nyina bra
aso lo election aso lo process
wo pia mu wa ba mu kan won so ari peja mu ye support
Aya nyame ne pia yenso ye botum ya mobilize na otan na wode tan papa ye de same tan ni bia mo hon na we hu de se wu aya da on sonhwe medase Felix
Yeah, bro. Na the man
akunje na wodia
na the me gina do papa boy
papa ejawo boy kwan na tu
enya hwe wa mo se o ye chama enya hwe
nta se me wa kan ni na we bia good morning to everybody
good morning
Patrick Kosona ma weni nya de me I don't think say even sensible say mempe obi asem so me say me ko position aye de ko ye adwuma de ko yi say nipa ko no so we nipa nyansan wo trima you wouldn't even venture on that so I mean that one there Patrick we will do what we can kakra yes we be to na what to me there adwuma you know just keep on just like depending on kind and many be you come behind closed doors now only your contact you know uja a message you will get some of us Marcus no be able to me I responded now Marcus bio no me start no me nya Melano me pacho Endra na o me page no so I believe say it do baby no there was a little bit of discrepancy as in terms of clarity of question it is called occupational hazards and I believe say as a politician as a brother as a citizen no you understand these things and you know the call be no mestre say ubishum to say like something light so that we can all move forward.
But Felix, asami yake obi ka se mbi kirem. Let me Melano asami no see ne one. Take it in good faith because we should take it from all angles. And you me there obi from a catchem there because of adena yana papa ne ye nti. No onya watu abama papa na because as a politician so be nyo yade na impa. Show to the person that no, you didn't like this one, but it should be done in a respectful manner. On there, a politicians are some working on your dempa, na recessro. To me, no, also on to no, the madina papa na year nature there. So what about my name is if we didn't cause sama obaka kanaju and the meaning pen open.
He will speak. I mean, he's not a soft person.
Yeah, into us initially. On no jida papa no or soft or ye inti bibi them no on ye. But the way of reacting on some picture they provoke now. And so between why bibi kakasa. We shouldn't see it in a negative way. Into Milano, I can't know. That's why let's all take it.
Exactly. Why I mean on me, why?
Yeah, fellas we are na makadi bi kakra ho no.